Hello everyone, my name is Adekunle Adeite. I'm the CEO of Moa's Imperial Group. The core mission of Imperial Media is to establish a world-class production outfit that will reel out world-class movies, media content, documentaries, and all sort of video content. And the intent is to produce stories that are steeped in Yoruba culture and now. And these stories will be created beautifully in a way that it will appeal to anybody worldwide, irrespective of your race, your gender, your creed, or your religious belief. People may want to ask, what new thing is Imperial Media bringing to the table? Actually, a lot. A lot in the sense that we're not saying we want to rubbish everything that's been done. We just want to add value to what is on ground. Our mission is to sell the Yoruba culture to the world. And you can only sell a product when it's well packaged. I welcome everybody to the Imperial family, where you will be treated like a true royal. Join us on our Facebook page, it's on your screen, on our Instagram page, on TikTok, and our YouTube channel, where you can enjoy snippets of whatever we are cooking. Don't be told, you see it for yourself. Thank you, and I'll see you around.